Good morning, guys. So, right now it's 5, and yesterday I have decided to wake up at 5 today, and I do. So, first, let's drink some warm water to get some energy. I always used to get out and connect my Bluetooth on and listen to music and jog with my friend. I never experienced this silent morning. Never, like I used to wake up, but I just sit in my room and study whatever I do in the morning at home only. I never go out. But this is, I think, somewhat my second, third time that I'm going out like this, and अभी मैं कोई ब्लूटूथ वगैरह लेके नहीं जा रही हूँ because I literally want to experience this silent morning with you all guys. I'm just talking, walking, and you're like, so let's go. I'm just thinking right now to go out, let experience this morning because मैं कभी नहीं उठती हूँ 5 बजे. So I am feeling kind of so different right now, like those cozy mornings. So I literally like feeling like having a urge to go out. So let's go first. Guys, look, such a beautiful, warm and cozy morning. Stars, moon. Today's morning is something different now. I mean, like, I'm just feeling it because I have wake up today, or it's really something different. Guys, this is what I actually love. Like, अभी 2-3 लोग ही हैं यहाँ पर जो बात कर रहे हैं, टहल रहे हैं. वैसा कोई शोर नहीं है. मतलब अभी मंदिरों में जो घंटियों की आवाज़ आती है वो भी नहीं है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट all kind of noise. So it is really nice for me, like something different. No one is there, and this is what I love. Like, this kind of peace I actually want. Just cute cows are there living this amazing morning. See, guys, so today I have to go to school, and the task is to study more, like 1 hour more, जिसमें से मैंने 15 मिनट 20 मिनट ऐसे ही घूमते घूमते अभी चले जाएंगे मेरे, जिस तरह मैं वॉक कर रही हूँ स्लोली. बट येस, आई नो, लाइक इफ़ आई कैन हैव 40 मिनट्स, so it's enough for me to study, like, but those 40 minutes will be my focused 40 minutes. So I'm just thinking today I have like wake up so messy, but I'll plan my day, I'll make to-do list. उसमें भी मेरा टाइम जाएगा. My van will come at my home at 6:30, so I have enough time, so I can do it. दोपहर को जब मैं शाम को टहलने आती हूँ ना, बस 3 चक्कर लगाए और सीधा जॉगिंग करना शुरू. बॉडी ऐसी मेस्ड हो जाती है. बट राइट नाउ एक तो कोई नहीं है. मंदिर दिखाती हूँ, देवी मैया के दर्शन कर लो गाइस. तो अभी इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना, केवल टहलो, एक चक्कर ही सही, मॉर्निंग को फील करो एंड जस्ट गो टू होम. एंड नो वन इज़ देयर एक्चुअली फॉर डिस्टर्बिंग यू. सो यू एंड मी kind of, it's really nice. So mama is waiting for me. Let me go very fast so I can work on my task that I have to complete. Otherwise मेरे उठने का फ़ायदा क्या हुआ. I'm feeling kind of cold, so first let's make the tea. What I'm gonna do right now, first I'll make to-do list, then I'll meditate, I will follow up my routine and get ready for the school. There will be 2 to-do list, first right now, and second it will be after school. Let's start. Everyone, remember this to-do list is not about stress, or it's not a burden.
It's about direction. Every task we write down is one little step towards becoming the best version of ourselves. Let's make today light, positive, and full of growth and live a step towards the life we dream of.
So I'm done with my to-do list. It was just a 3 to 4 tasks only, and now it's time to meditate. Feeling so nice after meditation. Now I'm going to study finally, and I am studying with a theoretical subject which is economics, because it's really not gonna force me to think practically, and I just read and understand concepts. Actually no, because eco is just 40 minutes for me. Eco is actually, like, I know a lot in this. Like, it's my, this whole book, I know this whole book actually. So I just have to revise all the things, mainly those chapters which are coming in half yearly exams. So I know, like, it's okay. This I'm going with the banking chapter right now, and it's a really easy chapter. I have studied it 3 times, but I still forget some of the things in this, so I have to study it. So the things that I left with, I will revise it right now, और जो मुझे नहीं आती हैं उन्हें मैं मार्क कर लूँगी, so I can go and ask the doubt to my teacher. Ready with my stuff. चाय भी आ चुकी है, and my all the things here. I swear I don't gonna look at my camera for 40 minutes, and you'll just watch me. Commercial banks are an important component of banking system of a country. Let us first understand what a commercial bank means. It was really a small task, but I have completed. That is my achievement. Now I'm drinking tea. Brush मैंने पहले ही कर लिया था. Now I'll just go for bath and get ready for the school. चाय तो मस्त थी, but now let's go and get ready for the school. It's 6:15 now, and I have completed this. मैंने ईको का एक चैप्टर विद रीडिंग किया है. स्कूल में I will complete it with following details. Okay, so first I'll go for bath, then I'll come back, get ready, then I'll prepare my bag. I have enough time now. I am back, so I'm ready with my school uniform. Now I'll comb my hair, then I'll do my skincare like moisturizer वगैरह. I'll pack my bag. So I'm ready with hairs. Now let's pack the bag. Then I'll eat breakfast. और breakfast में है दलिया. तो ये तो मेरा मॉर्निंग व्लॉग है, लेकिन मेरा आफ्टर स्कूल व्लॉग मैं बाद में डालूंगी, वरना बहुत लंबी वीडियो हो जाएगी. गाइस, ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया और मेरी वैन भी आ गई है, तो मैं शूज़ पहनूंगी और जाऊंगी स्कूल के लिए. सो आई होप यू लाइक द व्लॉग. फॉर नाउ टेक केयर, बाय बाय.